Welcome to Series 3 of Train Bros. Today we introduce our newest member, Mr. Dominic Rutter.
Fuck him.
And with that in mind, we're going to
Asshole.
beat the shit out of him.
We're going to destroy
in a race
him.
contest. We are racing from here, Twyford Station, to the Prince of Wales / Gatehouse at Osborne in East Cowes, Isle of Wight. With that in mind, we have 3 challenges. We must, between the teams, buy some John Smiths.
Yes.
We must get a pebble from a beach, and we must get a selfie with a sign saying Isle of Wight.
He's going to be late for work. Oh, someone's going to be late for work. He just pegged it.
We shall see you on the other side. We hope that you enjoy this.
Are you ready?
Sync up our watches.
Okay, sync up.
3, 2, 1. Let the race begin.
Okay,
See
go.
you at the end.
Good luck, losers!
We're losing time with all these seatbelt shenanigans.
They need to wait for a train!
This is so dumb. They're gonna destroy them.
Good to see they're taking this really seriously and have set off with immense speed.
Is that recording now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You may need to adjust it to get me in the angle, I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like it.
But we're going to go now to
We're
get
leaving.
the John Smiths here
Okay.
in Twyford.
Let's go.
Because I don't want to waste time at the other end because I'm really nervous.
I feel like we can make up for it
Yeah, definitely.
with heart.
There we go. 31 minutes past 9 is our train. That should get us in at about 38 minutes past. That gives 20 minutes.
So we've got the John Smiths. Otherwise, we'd already be like a good 20 minutes towards Isle of Wight.
Oh, you can't see.
Oh no!
But
they're
they'll be
still
there.
there. Yeah.
Where are they heading to next? Are they heading to
So they got to
Wokingham?
go into Reading
Okay,
and then change to Reading, then go to Basingstoke, change to
because
Basingstoke.
I don't think they even left the train station yet, and you can't really see on the footage, but right there on that sign, it literally says 5 miles to Reading that way, and we don't even have to go through Reading, do we?
I think they'll be on their way to Reading now.
So we have just got onto our first train. About to smoke fucking car team.
Now, cut over to Sam and Isaac, probably ripping themselves.
See, if we're playing music out loud on the train, we'd be considered a nuisance.
Exactly.
Travel update number 1. Currently about 40 minutes into our journey. On the minute, we started our stopwatch at Twyford Station. We popped out, to which point we've completed task number 1. Grabbing ourselves a couple of these bad boys. We've got a coffee, we sat on the train, we're heading to Basingstoke, which will be our next travel update. Yeah, feeling pretty darn confident.
Feeling confident, yeah.
We might whack out a few games, which once again they can't do.
Right, so it's 10:06 now. They'll be either on or waiting for the train, waiting for it to go.
This is the important bit for us.
Yeah,
to
because
get
this is gonna stack up. They're gonna get to Basingstoke. By the time they're like, oh, let's get the train from Basingstoke to fucking wherever, we're gonna be on the ferry. I have faith, Sam.
So this is going to be the other team because they're in the bin because they fucked it.
Welcome to Hampshire, the Jane Austen County. Apparently, according to the sign.
to the sign, and
Yeah.
if we learned anything so far this journey, is Isaac trusts what he hears.
Yeah, implicitly all the time.
We're on our way now to Basingstoke,
Oh yeah.
and that's where the boys will be changing.
Ah.
Not for us.
What pretty little road, man. Fucking smart car. Where is this car's PhD?
So travel update guys, we are here in Basingstoke in a very good high spirits. We're about to get on the train to Southampton Central. We're definitely smoking the other team. They're probably fucking arguing in a car somewhere, stuck in traffic, have no idea where they are. We're about to get on a train that's going to be travelling at the speed of sound. Literally going to be in Southampton with about 3 hours to spare, kicking back. We're actually going to travel so fast that we're going to go backwards in time to tomorrow. Backwards in time to tomorrow? That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that's how we like it.
Travel update.
We're heading to Portsmouth.
We're joining the A3 into Portsmouth. It's coming up to 25 to 11. Key thing here to remember is that it doesn't matter when the ferry leaves. It's when we get on the ferry.
Exactly.
The position that we get onto will determine our chances for the race on the other side.
Travel update 3. Currently on a bus, which is our second mode of transport for the day. We're headed to the ferry terminal, where we'll hopefully get a photo and our pedal.
The start did a line. We literally got off the train and then the bus was already there that we needed. And we literally left straight away. We're just viewing the lovely scenes of Southampton.
Challenge number 2 time. Dom's going to get a pebble from the sea. We love to see it.
Pebble from the fucking sea. Let's be having it.
No, we need to take it with us. Get another one.
Pebble from the sea. That's commitment. I've gone straight in. Grab it.
Let's go.
Yeah, there it is.
This is the point where I am most nervous.
We nearly had a massive fuck up. However, we've done it. And then it's straight on from here.
I did quite well there.
You did really well. I'm very pleased to have had you.
Imagine, thank you. Imagine being in a position where only I can help you. Fucking hell.
Just got to put my shades on.
Deal with it.
Let's go.
Right, travel update. We are just about to pull in to East Cowes.
Gas.
Now, us being the geniuses that we are, we've managed to clock a bus that goes from just outside the terminal to Osborne House.
You're going to drop the camera.
Basically, got this.
Travel update. We are arriving in Fishbourne. There it is.
Let's go.
We are arriving 15 minutes ahead of time. So either the docking off process is really long, or we're quite ahead of schedule and we're gonna win this thing. Bit into Fishbourne, find that pebble,
Excellent.
and take it home.
Let's go.
Okay, here I am at Fishbourne. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's disgusting. That'll do. Okay, got it from the harbour. Oh my god. My shoes are fucked. Oh.
And he's done it.
And my shoes are fucked. Oh my god. Right.
Alright, sprint to the finish now. We're on our way. Oh no! Oh, what are you saying?
I've never seen so anxious in my life.
Yes!
On 40, come on! Boost it! Boost! Boost! Osborne, that's where we're going!
Let's go!
Speed up! Speeder! To 60! This is the Isle of Wight, not Kazakhstan! That's Osborne. That's where we want to be. I knew that was closer than I thought. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Go. Gotta get it, Osborne. Take it. Oh my god, the adrenaline. Look, there it is! Yes! Team Car wins. Right. We finally won a game against Ollie. And now we chill by that sign and wait for the losers to come.
Travel update. We are currently waiting for a bus. That will take us to our destination.
It's going to be close. It's going to be close. We don't know.
Bus by about 2 minutes.
Also, our ferry was going about 1 mile per hour, trying to dock in. And so I think it's the slowest dock I've ever seen.
So, still got time.
We
don't know.
Yeah.
I feel incredible.
Ollie, Dom, can't wait to see you.
That will get us in 1:25. We know it will be enough.
If their ferry got there early, they might already just be there, but it's not looking good, boys, but we're still hopeful.
Just want to show you something that Dom sent me an hour ago. You have no idea how well we are doing. You're going to get smoked.
Quite nervously waiting on the bus. What are your feelings right now, Oliver? Breaking it. Yeah, I'm nervous. But I don't know. I reckon there is a chance.
There's obviously a chance.
Bet you any money those pricks are there right now with a pint in hand.
Meanwhile, here we are, Blaze of Glory. Cheers, Isaac.
Cheers, pal.
Our docking was the worst thing I think I've ever experienced in my life. Literally just watching the window pane go. I'm so slowly over us.
Oh my god. They did. They got the bus.
Are they on it?
Yeah.
We locked eyes.
Those lazy bastards got the bus.
Oh. Hang on. Smoke face.
Yeah.
Hello, boys.
How on earth did you get it so quick?
How long have you been here?
What's
Let's
the time,
check
Isaac?
the time. You are 25 minutes later than us.
No fucking way.
Yes.
So we
So
were
we're
still
in
on the
one.
ferry when you
One.
got here.
Yep.
Yeah.
We got here.
Our ferry
one
docked
on
early.
the dot.
Rigged.
Ours got late.
It just shows you that Team Car is definitely the way to go.
Absolutely.
Cheers.
We just need to prove that everyone's done their
Yeah, so you got
challenges.
your job.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
got the
okay.
John
So we
Smiths.
have
Where did you get yours from?
Twyford.
Oh, did you literally
Tesco.
go straight to Twyford
Yeah.
Tesco's?
Straight away.
We went
Yep.
to Tesco.
When we got to Reading, we had to wait for our train for about 20 minutes. So we stopped off, got a Greggs.
There we go.
Got 2 John Smiths for £3.18. That's not bad.
How much were our 4-pack?
There were 4.17.
Pretty good value, to be fair.
Where'd you get your pebble from?
Fishbourne, yeah.
Makes it funny how where the race was won and lost wasn't on a train or a car.
It was the
on a
boat.
ferry. Good. So what we've learned
What
from
was-
this race.
All right, well, that's the conclusion of this race. Thank you very much for watching. Isaac and I are particularly pleased to have had you with us along the way.
Yeah.
But I'm sure that we can all say that we all very much enjoyed the experience.
Yeah,
and we're definitely going to
unique.
do
Definitely
it
do it
again.
again.
Definitely do a race
Definitely,
again.
my
I'm
time-
so glad we're not the ferry bros.
What else left is there to do?
Exactly, we might as well just go home.
Yeah, let's go home.
Well, unless...
Fuck you, pal.
So when the day comes to settle down, well, who's to blame if you're not around? We took the long way home. We took the long way home. We took the long way home. To again, we took the long way home. We took the long way home. So long. We took the long way home. We took the long way home. Ooh, yeah. We took the long way home. Love